Hey, I want to help you guys out today. Maybe you've run into the same issue I've run into, but I've been fighting this for a whole day yesterday, trying to figure out the issue with this Fatboy. It's an 05 fuel injected twin cam bike. I left the other day for a ride. We got to the end of the driveway. It started fine. It ran fine going out the driveway. I stopped down there at the end of my driveway and shut the bike off for a second. It never started back again. I've seen a bunch of people on the internet with the same issue, cut the bike off, it won't start back again. And I've seen people telling them to throw a bunch of parts at it and throw a bunch of parts at it. And before a person goes out and spends a bunch of money, I hope you can catch this video here and save yourself a little bit of parts throwing at it and maybe a trip to the Harley shop. When I cranked this thing, I couldn't smell any fuel. So, you know, when I crank, you'll smell fuel. I can hear the pump running. When I turn the pump on, it's running fine, and it should start in theory, but it won't. So I took everything apart I could think of. I tested voltage on the fuel injectors. We done everything we could do and ran into nothing. And here's what we ended up finding. I'm going to show you. I've spilled a little gas here fooling with this thing. But if you'll look on the bottom of your gas tank, where the this is on the left side of your bike, where the gas comes out into the fuel line, right here, this is like an air hose fitting. You got to pull it down to get that fuel line out. That fuel line had vibrated loose out of that socket. You just take your hand, push it back up into place. This bike started just fine. That thing's got a little check valve inside of it that shuts the fuel off running out of the tank. So it wasn't leaking any gas. I couldn't see any running out of here. It didn't look like a problem, but if you'll see right here at the top, there's a little gap under that nut. That gap will be all the way shut. Mine was. That line was popped out. That gap needs to look like that right there. That gap. For it to be in the correct position and locked in and you guys to get fuel on your bike. I hope this helps you out.